All right, I want to show you all this 3DS XL. It does work. However, we do get an error. Could not detect an SD card. The software in the SD card cannot be displayed. There is an SD card in it. There's a 4 gigabyte SD card in there. I don't know if there's issues with what's on the SD card or if there's a hardware issue with 3DS itself, but it apparently can't read that card. It can read the game that's in the console right now, and it'll load up and play. It plays the game fine. But there is some kind of SD card issue. You can see it load the game up here. Just take a second. There, you're in the game. So there's that issue. It also, you can see there is a little gap here where it looks like the bottom was taken off and not put on correctly. I tried to take these 2 screws off and put it back on, and it just will not fit right. It will come with the game. It does not come with a stylus. The other thing to mention, there is some wear to the touch screen here, and you could see like right there is a divot. Right where that L is on the Rudolph. The top screen, I mean, it's okay. It looks pretty decent. There are some, if I get at that angle right there with the light, you can definitely see some wear and scratches. So that's what you're going to get. It works with a few caveats.